You don't need motivation. You don't need another quote, another podcast, another YouTube video telling you to grind. What you need is 90 days of war, 90 days of obsession, 90 days where you get sick of your own excuses. Because everything you want, the money, the body, the mindset, the peace, it's on the other side of doing what you've avoided. No one is coming to save you. And the person you could have been is waiting for you to finally show up. So let's make a deal. Just 90 days. You give me that, and I promise, you won't recognize your life. Day 0, the breaking point, this all starts with pain. The pain of being sick of your own BS. You look in the mirror, and you don't like what you see. Not just your body, your mind, your habits, your life. The scrolling, the sleeping in, the constant delay of everything you promised yourself you'd do. This is your breaking point. This is where change begins. Not with a goal, not with a journal, but with a rage inside you that says, I've had enough. If you don't feel that yet, keep watching. You will. Because what I'm about to ask from you in the next 90 days will break you. It'll stretch you, strip you, and rebuild you. But it will also wake up something inside you. Something you buried under laziness, fear, and distractions. Something powerful. THE 90-day contract. Now I want you to sign a contract. Not with me, with your future self. Not a to-do list. A must-do list. You don't get to negotiate. You don't get to whine. You don't get to feel like it. That's not part of this deal. Here's what you do. Wake up before 6 a.m., move your body every single day, no junk food, no alcohol, no fast dopamine, read 10 pages of a book, meditate 10 minutes. Write your goals every single morning, track your wins, no skipping days. Not one. Every day you follow this system, you rewire your identity. You go from I want to change to I am the kind of person who does this. And that changes everything. Why 90 days works 90 days is long enough to hurt, but short enough to see light at the end. It's a complete rewiring.